Hey Johar, 70,000 FIFA fans. Imagine this. One stadium, 70,000 people, and the gate C is about to collapse due to the, we can say, overcrowding. Now, nobody knows that. Not the security staff, not the volunteers, not the fans standing right there. So, what if I tell you that your phone could fix that in under 3 seconds? You wouldn't believe, right? So, let me show you what I built for this problem as my solution. So what's up everyone? Ayushman Sharma here from Chhattisgarh, and this is my submission for Prompt Wars challenge number 4, which is basically a virtual challenge by Google for developers and hack to skill. The problem statement for this challenge was to build a GenAI solution for FIFA World Cup 2026 stadium operations. And I didn't build another chatbot. Instead, I built something that didn't exist anywhere in the world yet. So every AI stadium tool that you see or has been developed till now basically does the same thing. Fans ask AI the questions and it answers. So it's basically the search engine with some extra steps. And honestly, that doesn't works in real time or in real life problems. You see, the problem with FIFA 2026 is not information access, it's situational awareness with everyone having zero real time updates or idea of what's actually happening on the ground level. The staff basically sees or reacting to the crisis instead of preventing them. So that's what I wanted to fix. And here is my project, Stadium Pulse. There are three views, fan view, AI monitor view, and the staff dashboard. So let me show you how it works. Here you can see the heat map of the stadium, and here are four gates, the food court, and the parking. And whatever you see the problem, you can report it, whether it is crowded gate, blocked ramp, full bin, shuttle delay, or anything else. You just submit it, the Gemini reads it and decides the severity of the problem and sends it to the person whoever needs to know this, and then alerts the person who submitted it in their own language automatically. So here's the fan view, and let's say I want to submit the crowded gate problem. I would select the stadium zone, gate D, submit the report. So here you can see we have received your report regarding the congestion at gate D. Here it is the alert message, and now I would go to the AI monitor view, and here it has given you the prompt and the response. So basically it is in JSON format encoding, and this AI monitor view I kept it here in this project itself because I wanted to show that how it would work in the real time production or in real life when and this view is basically reserved for the developers or the admin. This would not be obviously visible to the fans in the stadium, but I wanted to show that how all these systems work in real life. And this is the staff dashboard. You can see the cards that represents the total signals, pending and resolved cases. So now the crowded gate, and now you can see here the gate D, crowded gate, which I reported here. And also I would like to highlight that I have used some seeded data so as to show the demo of this project, and you can resolve it just by clicking resolve. One click and it's resolved. No guessing. And that's the beauty of this. Also, one more detail which is my favorite for this whole project is the language multilingual assistance. So the Stadium Pulse works in English, Hindi, Spanish, Arabic, and also in Chhattisgarhi. Yes, my language Chhattisgarhi, which is spoken by 18 million plus people, or in Indian units, 1 crore 80 lakhs plus people from central India. And I guess it's the first time that Chhattisgarh is represented in a global hackathon tool. So let's say I would report this Gawai Mankhe means lost person, and stadium ke konta chunav yani means you just have to select which zone. Now I would say parking. Report bhejo means to submit the report, and you are done. तो रिपोर्ट मिल गए पार्किंग आउटर वेस्ट ममदाद मिल जही थोकन रुको. So that's how it alerts the users in their own language. And I personally like that because in FIFA there are people from all walks of life, all from different countries. So no, it's not possible that everybody knows any particular language or any one lang or the global language, which is English basically. So the multilingual thing is also one of the major problems in such events. Now, what I see, or I guess I've seen, that every solution submitted in this challenge basically does the same thing. That they have built a agent per problem. The one for navigation, one for crowd management, and one for multilingual assistance. That's eight chatbots pretending to be one app. Now, Stadium Pulse completely flips this model. It works under one roof and solves all the eight problems as a consequence of how it works. That's the architecture. And now, under the hood, tech stack basically React plus Vite for the front end, Tailwind CSS for styling, Gemini 3.1 flashlight model for the AI layer, and everything is built with Google Antigravity. So was the tech stack, and the UI theme I called in for this whole project was Stadium Floodlight Night. You see, the FIFA Stadium at night is not dark. It's blazing white light with on green turf. So that's what I wanted it to feel like. And Gemini responds to the users in under 2 seconds. So here's my project, and I've shown you the working. The link for the live app and the GitHub repository is in the description, and you can go and check out the GitHub repository. It's public. Go out, check it out, explore the things like the Gemini prompt strategy, the multilingual pipeline, or the zone congestion logic. If you're from Chhattisgarh, then Jai Johar, we are building things now. And if you like my project and want to appreciate it with your words or with any of the emojis, or if you have some feedback regarding this project, feel free to drop it down in the comments below and subscribe for more such stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Jai Johar.